Hey friends, in this video we will learn about Avada theme. So how we can install and import demo data on website and do changes on website. So let's start from theme. We just need to install WordPress on our server and click on themes, add new theme. So we have downloaded file. We click on upload theme. So we can search out about Avada theme. Just uh, hit the install now button. So Avada theme is now uploaded and we just hit to activate. After activate, Avada theme needs to install plugins. So we just go to manage plugins. This is pre-activated theme. So I have uploaded on Google Drive and shared link in video description. So you can download and upload on your website. So this will help to buy without buying, install your demo data on website. So this is showing required plugins. So we have activated this Avada core plugin and now we can install Avada builder. Avada is offering some default plugins here, so we can install the plugins which we needed. So we can install Avada branding and slider evolution. We can install also slider evolution. So there is Yoast plugin also here and WooCommerce and HubSpot. So there is many plugins here. So we install which we recommended on our website or which we needed. So Avada is showing we need two patches to activate. So we just click on apply patch. After first patch applied, we need to apply second one patch. After applying theme, you can see here this is registered theme. So we need no need to any key for registering this theme. So we already have this website. This theme is registered. So we just go to now our patches are okay. Our plugins are also okay. So now we need to go to websites. So Avada theme has almost 79 pre-built sites. Classic Avada builders, virtual assistant, plumber, online tutor, interior, Avada fitness. So you can search out about we can go to live preview. Avada 7.2 is now on the way. There is a lot of options: footer builder, complete designing freedom, WooCommerce integrations, purchase, Avada discover, uh, Avada classic shops. So there is a lot of designs here. Almost we have see 79 designs, 79 designs, corporate, creative, shop, portfolio. So there is a lot of options here because Avada is really best theme and SHA1 in in WordPress themes. So we can install any demo here. Just go to we can go to Avada builder, Avada psychology, Avada cotton. We can import this one and click on import. You can see here Avada core is already active, Avada builder is already active. We can click on import to all and click OK. So now our process is on the way. Sliders, post, pages, layout, icons, forms, images, sliders. So all these options, all these data we load after demo data imported. So we click on OK, demo data imported successfully. We just reload this page and we can visit site. So now our website is ready because we have loaded with demo data. So we need to do changes on our website according to our needs, because our main work is to load demo data. There is also sub pages created, industry resources, about us, free consultations. If we click on free consultation, you can see we can automatically created forms and everything. So we can go with edit live editor and do changes on according to our needs. So here is the process how to load Avada theme and activate plugins, and then import your pre-built websites. So in next video we will learn about how to do these changes on website according to our needs, like footer changes, these social icons, and these changes here. So in next video we will learn about editing of website. Thank you.